Hello guys, what's up? Welcome to a SKETCHUP Guru channel guys. In this tutorial, we will learn how to render exterior set in ENSCAPE guys. Okay, so
This
here
is
you can see
recently
I have
launched
installed ENSCAPE
3 to
3.3 guys.
4
Big ago guys. Okay, and definitely there are lots of other changes are done inside this 3.3. So if you don't know how to use all new features in ENSCAPE 3.3, you can watch. There is a link in the description. Now in this tutorial, we will discuss only how to render exterior scene. Okay, guys. So if you are new on my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon button for a latest update. So let's start, guys. So first, guys, you'll have to click on this a start Inkscape button. Okay, this is an Inkscape window. You always need to hit here when you want to create a render. Okay, so this is a Inkscape window, guys. After a couple of seconds, it will open. You can see. And before we are going to start, first have to need to adjust a visual setting, guys. So just click here, and here you can see there are lots of other things available, like in main auto exposure options available. You can control with auto exposure or just manual. Okay, this is totally up to you. I want this type of exposure here. Okay guys, and you can control the field of views from here. Okay, so I think 75 to 80 is perfect for me. I'm typing 75 here, guys. Okay, now what you'll have to do, now you have to switch on image options. Okay, after clicking here, you can see there are lots of other option in auto contrast option. When you will click here, your image will be auto contrast, but you can also control it manually. This is the saturation option. Okay, want to saturate your image texture a little bit, you can uh, control from here. Okay, see the color temperature option. If you want cool effects or warm effects, totally up to you what you want. So I'm going to enter a little bit like that. Okay, and here is the bloom options. I don't need much, 10% is enough for me. And a vignetting option, you can see this is called a vignette. Okay, if you want to use it, you can use it, totally up to you guys. And this is a chromatic aberration. You can see what's happening here after increasing it. I'm going to fix it at 11%. Okay, now I'm moving on atmosphere, guys. Here you can control the intensity here. So first I need to decrease the sun brightness from here. I think this is perfect. Okay, and here other options, you don't have to control it. There's other option like shadow sharpness. If you want shadows more sharper, you can control from here, but I'm going to use 7% from here, guys. Okay, you can also control the ambience brightness from here like that. Okay, by default it is a 50%. Going to make it a little bit higher, little bit. Okay, now moving on up a sky option, you can see there are lots of other sky options available, like a desert, mountain, and much more. Okay, here I'm selecting clear sky. You can control the clouds from here, varieties of clouds, shadow's amount. Okay, contrast. You can also change the latitude and longitude here, guys. Okay, it's like that. This is fine for me. Now here you can see the other options available, like a skybox. So I'm not going to discuss these things over here. Okay, now I'm going to cut these options. Now I will edit a material here. So how to edit a material, if you don't know, please watch here entire video for better understanding, guys. click on a material edit option, guys. Okay, I'm going to make it little bit smaller windows. Okay, and I will select one by one all windows. Okay, so first you'll have to click over here, press alt button and click on texture, make selected. Okay, you can see this texture is showing here. Now I'm going to create a roughness value little bit smaller, like that. I think it's a fine, you can see. Okay, if you want to use any kind of form material, just hit on a use albedo option. You can see now this is much perfect. Okay, you want to use this as a reflector. Okay, but it will produce more reflection, so I will suggest you to use a height map, just clicking on a padding uh, uh, use albedo option. Okay, I'm going to make it 0.6 is I think perfect. Okay, it's perfect for me. Now I'm going to give it some tint color, just like a coated material. Selecting this option over here, okay, little bit. Now I'm selecting this panel here. Both are, I think, same panel, right? Oh, yeah, both are same. Okay. Now I'm going to select window glass options here. Just press alt again. Click to select your material here. Okay. So going to make it opacity like that. If you want 100% opaque material, you have to decrease the value 0. And if you don't want any transparent material, you have to just increase the value like that. Okay. If you want frosted glass, you have to click here. If you want opaque, you can decrease the value. Okay. So here you can also select the color of tint of glass. So I'm selecting bluish. Okay, I think this is perfect. It's like that. Okay guys, I think it's perfect. Reflective index, it's totally up to you how much you want. I think 1.49 is perfect. Okay guys, now again I'm going to click over here. This is a frame, so just click here. I'm going to make it metallic, guys, and roughness would be like that. Okay, now again you need to select this wooden option also. Just click here, decrease the decrease the roughness like that. I think this is perfect. And select some tint color, select these options. Okay, fine. Now you need to select this railing color. Okay, this is glass railing options. So I'm clicking here. Now I'm going to increase the mesh here, and it would be metallic 100%, because I need to show it like a stainless steel. You can see here, I can show you. Okay, must be look like a steel. Okay guys, so it's perfect after increasing value of metallic option. Roughness, if you want 100% polished steel, you have to decrease the roughness value up to 0%. Okay, so I think it's a fine, right? Again, I'm going to select this option here, the glass of railing. Okay, going to select tint value blue. Now it's perfect, right guys? So it's actually very easy to render any exterior image in Inkscape, guys. It's very easy. If you want to use a daylight interior exterior rendering, it's very easy. Okay, so now you can see this door is not looking perfect here. So again, you need to click B option, press Alt and select the material, and then decrease the value of roughness here, guys. You can see now it's visible. Going to use albedo 0.128. It's fine, right? Decrease the roughness and going to use the tint color here a little bit like that. Okay, so it's actually very pretty easy, guys, to edit a material landscape, and it's also very light software actually, guys. Now I'm going to edit this shutter, rolling shutter options material here. Okay, so going to decrease the value, the roughness is like that. Okay, you can see the effect over here. Now it's fine. You can change the color from, if you want a darker, you can select darker color. Okay, I'm going to change this really side shutter material. Let's decrease the value here and increase the metallic value. So I think it's a fine. Okay, now here we need to add some extra 3D material over here, just like a prop, cars and peoples. So we'll have to click over here as a library. Okay guys, and after clicking it will take us some time to browse all 3D models that is only available when you will online. Okay, so I'm going to search vegetations. Click here, it will take a couple of seconds. Okay, so select any one of them that you want to use in rendering options. Okay, you can see there is a tagging options available. If you wanna evergreen, deciduous, coniferous, bush, autumn, any uh, categories are already categorized here, guys. So just use it. Click on a tree options. Clicking here on applying this portion, guys. Okay, applied right now, guys. And click here. Sorry, this is the editor option. Okay, select your tree model from here. Now this time going to use tree over here, guys. It's perfect, guys. Now I'm going to use uh, car. Okay, so just now select vehicle options from here. Okay, There are lots of vehicles available you can use on your model. So I'm going to select these options. Okay, so SUV, car, sedan. Just click here or click here, and then place your model over here. Okay. I can see this is placed here, but you need to rotate it. So I'm going to rotate it at the angle of 90 degrees. And click and move it here. Okay. Now I'm going to add some peoples. So just click here, add the people options. Okay. Now here you can also categorize, select individually by tag. You can see sitting, female, child. Okay. I'm going to click here and just flying over my model. Okay. Again, I'm going to search some other 3D models like that, flying over here. You can see this model is applied here. And there are other options available like animals. You can use it on your model. There are lots of new model are recently added in 3.3 options. You can see this is the word options you can use. Okay. There is a street props available also. You can use like a street lamp light or many things available here. Okay. But if you want a lamp post, you'll have to click on a lighting option. Okay. So if your net connection is perfect, then it will load a model like that. And if your connection is not good, it will take lots of time to load a model. Okay. So my net connection is a little bit slower, that's why taking time. I'm leaving it, guys. Okay. Now here you can see there is one material that still need to edit. So these options and this tiles options. Okay. So I'm going to again click B and press Alt to select our material, and going on material edit options, I'm going to increase the roughness like that and use the albedo options. Okay. Want to use any tint color, just have to click on a tint and select like that. Okay. Now I need to add edit road material. Click here, decrease the roughness like that, use albedo. Would be something like that, 1.16. okay, you can say this is more glossy. I need to decrease the roughness like that. Okay guys, and increase the amount of bumpiness. You can also use displacement here if you're not satisfied with this result. Okay, so I think this is perfect, fine, right? If you don't want a black color, you can use as a grace. Okay. Now I think this is fine, perfect. If you are new uh, on ENSCAPE, this tutorial definitely gonna help you guys. Okay, so it's perfect. I think it's perfect. Now what we'll have to do, I need to click add on this 2 point options, guys. Okay, make it like that. It would be something like that. Okay, so there is a three options available like orthographic, 2 point, and perspective. So if you are working 3D modeling for exterior, you can choose both of them, perspective or 2 point. But for interior, 2 point is suitable. Okay, so I'm selecting this option. Okay, and set your views, camera angle. Okay, now click on this option. Okay, guys, just click on a uh, screenshot option. I need to rename it exterior. Okay, and have to click on a save option. Just click here and save it. If you want a 2 point, you have to click on a 2 point option. You can see all the line are parallel. Okay, you can see what is the difference between 1 point and 2 point. Okay, guys, this line will always be parallel. Okay, that is the difference between 1 point and 2 point. You can see after moving the camera a little bit down, your model is distorted from up. Okay, so I think this is also perfect shot. And take from right, but you need to select a perspective if you're taking a shot from any angle. Okay, just like that. If you're taking a shot from this side, just select a perspective option, guys. Okay, I think this is fine. Okay, again click here, type the name of the scene, exterior. Okay, now another option that is called video editor, means you can create animations. So if you don't know how to create animation in Escape, you can watch a tutorial that is a separate lead I have made. So I will add a link in the description, guys. You can watch through there. uh, Thanks for watching, guys, and if you have any questions regarding this video, you can comment in the comment section, and please share, subscribe, and like my channel. Thanks for watching, have fun, and see you in the next episode.